Libra, hi, welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At ito ang inyong weekly reading for August 11 to 17, 2025. So if you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Paki-check nyo na lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. And please subscribe to our channel to show your support, like, share this video, at comment na rin kayo kung kayo ay naka-resonate. Meron tayong 50% discount sa mga tarot reading services from August 15 to August 31. Ayan. So, mag-book na kayo. And paalala lang, ito ay isang general reading. So, just take what resonates, okay? Let's see what's the energy for you, Libra. August 11 to 17. Okay, so this is your overall energy, possible challenge, opportunity, and blessing. Bottom of the deck is the Five of Cups. So, meron kayong mga naging desisyon in the past na yung iba sa inyo, pinagsisisihan nyo yun. No? Maaring ngayon, na-realize nyo na ang hirap pala, pwedeng responsibilities to, pwedeng situation, trabaho. So, you feel like masyado palang maraming kailangan gawin, or maaring may naiwan sa'yo na trabaho na hindi mo naman talaga responsibilidad pero sa'yo na binigay. Parang ikaw na yung umako. You have the Queen of Swords and the Star. Okay. So, I think naman, whatever this is that you are going through, makakaraos ka rin dyan. Okay? Kailangan lang talaga na iset mo yung isip mo, mas magkaroon ka ng positive thinking, mas maging optimistic ka. Of course, hindi naman natin iaalis yung minsan kasi sabihin nila, negative positivity. Anong tawag doon? Yung parang lagi pinopromote natin na okay, kailangan positive ka lang, ganyan. But nakakatulong siya. Oo. Kaya lang kailangan din natin na isipin na yes, meron tayong mga naiisip na problema or mga nakakagulo sa isip natin para makapag-desisyon tayo. At minsan mahirap talaga yung sitwasyon, parang wala kang choice, wala kang resources. But that's just the way it is. Ang katulong mo rito yung sarili mo, kung paano mo tatanggalin yung pag-overthink, kung paano mo i-assure yung sarili mo that things are going to be all right. So, the star is also about healing. So, maaring some of you are also focused on your healing. Pwedeng yung iba sa inyo nagkaroon ng illness, no? Nagkasakit in the past and now you are in the process of recovery. Mas nagigain na kayo ng lakas, ng energy. And I think you are, mas nagiging ka ngayon, optimistic. Oo. Ang lang dito, kailangan rin na i-shift nyo yung focus nyo, yung attention nyo sa mga bagay na alam mong makakabuti para sa'yo. Yung mga bagay na alam mong wala ka nang magagawa sa ngayon, just surrender it. And focus on the things na meron kang control. Kasi lalo ka lang parang panghihinaan ng loob kapag alam mo na yung tipong feeling mo wala ka nang magawa doon sa sitwasyon na yon. So, let's clarify. What is the Ten of Wands? Maraming responsibilities for some of you, no? Parang pagod na kayo. You have the Page of Pentacles. So, ito ay sa simula lang or paaring ngayon kailangan yung pagdaanan yan, but definitely it's all going to be worth it para sa inyo. Magiging worth it to. Lalo na kung ito ay isang negosyo, trabaho, or anything na pinaghihirapan mo ngayon na maraming kailangan gawin. Pero in the end, ikaw rin yung mag-harvest nung rewards nung trinabaho mo. What is the Eight of Swords? The King of Swords. I feel like meron kang i-let go or tatanggalin sa buhay mo para mas magkaroon ka ng clarity. Maari kasing marami kang hinihingan ng advice or maraming mga unsolicited advice na nakukuha ka galing sa iba or mga taong nangingialam sa mga desisyon mo, kaya lalo kang naguguluhan. So this time, you will bring out your, kumbaga, mas magiging maingat ka sa mga taong pakikinggan mo, sa mga taong susundin mo, mas mag-focus ka sa sarili mo. And then, your opportunity is the Nine of Pentacles. So, this is stability ng finances mo, career, trabaho, pagkakaroon ng financial independence. Ooh, may success for you. Oo. So, Libra, don't worry. Sa ngayon, maaring makaka-experience ka ng pagod, hirap, mga sakripisyo para sa proyekto or sa trabaho or ginagawa mo ngayon. But eventually, you have the opportunity to be successful in that field or magiging worth it yung mga pinagpaguran mo. And your blessing is justice. This is bringing balance into your life. Kung meron mang hindi balance sa sitwasyon mo, like for example, yung income mo, hindi maganda yung hindi harmonious, hindi balance. So, ngayong week na to, magagawa na siya ng paraan. That is your blessing. And magkakaroon ka ng clarity about ano yung dapat mong iunahin, ano yung dapat mong bigyan ng attention. Oo. Yan, King of Pentacles. This is blessing sa career, trabaho, business. Maaring magkakaroon ka ngayon ng mas mataas na sweldo or income, no? Whether this is about your career or your business or any source of income ninyo, meron ka ring ma-achieve na goal ngayong week na to for your career. And yung iba naman, this can be financial blessing, no? Na makakakuha kayo ng a certain amount of money na makakatulong para sa pagbabalanse ng finances mo. Okay, let's see what else pa. Money, career, finances. Kailangan daw maging parang learn how to say no. Oo, kasi minsan mga Libra people pleaser, no? So talagang magye-yes na lang. Para lang walang gulo, but kung alam mong ayaw mo, di wag. Wag kang magye-yes kung alam mo na no naman yung sagot mo. You are also have a charm. You mesmerize people. You are elegant. No? Maaring yung iba sa inyo yung inyong galing, talino, or yung inyong physical appearance. Yan yung mas nagbibigay rin sa inyo ng opportunities for growth, opportunities for career, for finances, for business. Meron ka raw own style na nakaka-captivate ng audience ninyo. So, yung iba sa inyo, you are into social media, content creation. So, baka yan yung magpapasok ng swerte, no? Financial gain para sa inyo. So, sa relationship, meron ditong expectations pagdating sa connection that you are dealing with. Yung iba sa inyo, kung kayo nasa isang relasyon, maaring magle-level up ang inyong relationship, new level of commitment, maaring may ma-engage, or yung para mas magiging seryoso yung connection mo with your person. And if you are single, you know what you want, no? Alam mo kung ano yung gusto mo pagdating sa relasyon. And you will not you will not settle for anything less than what you deserve. You have Saturn in Sagittarius in the 9th house. Yung matagal mo nang hinihintay na opportunity abroad or opportunity to travel or to work abroad, parating na yan. Kasi naging patient for that opportunity. You have Jupiter in Sagittarius in the 9th house. Wow. This is higher learning. So, yung iba sa inyo, kung ang goal ninyo ay pag-aaral or pagdagdag ng bagong kaalaman or pwedeng trabaho, career sa ibang bansa, or meron kang goal na gusto mong ma-master na knowledge. Ayan. So, na-master mo na. You are so much devoted, no, sa mga pinapasok mong relationship, whether this is about partnership or business partnership or sa romantic connection. Wow, abundance. You are attracting abundance this week. You are feeling good about yourself. You are stepping into your own power. You know what you want, kumbaga, no? So, meditation. Some of you are also mas at peace kayo ngayon kasi meron kayong mga ginagawang actions para mas ma-motivate kayo. Maaring you are doing mga meditation every day to clear your mind, no? Heart medicine, let go of that which does not serve your highest good. So, ayun na. You are letting go of anything that is no longer serving you. Kung alam mong wala tong mangyayari, walang mangyayari sa sitwasyon na yan, you're letting go of that to experience new things in life. Okay? So, that is your reading, Libra. Thank you so much. See you again.